Welcome to the podcast, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of Deno, a modern JavaScript and TypeScript runtime that you might not have heard much about yet. Now you may be wondering, what is Deno and why should I care? Well, let's break it down. So Deno, pronounced Deno, is not just any runtime. It's built on top of some really powerful technologies like V8, Rust, and Tokyo. What sets it apart from other runtimes you might know is its focus on secure defaults and an outstanding developer experience. You know, it's like having a well-organized toolbox where everything is just in the right place, making your job so much easier. A lot of developers might initially think, oh, it's just another tool, but that's not quite accurate. Deno was created by Ryan Dahl, who also developed Node.js with a vision to rectify some of the shortcomings he found in his earlier project. It's pretty fascinating how innovation often stems from an earlier version's pitfalls, don't you think? Now, if you're eager to get started with Deno, installation is a breeze. Depending on your operating system, you can choose methods like using curl for Mac and Linux or PowerShell for Windows. There's something so satisfying about just running a single command to set everything up. It's like magic, but seriously, you can find these installation instructions online if you want a comprehensive list. Once you've got Deno up and running, you might be tempted to jump right into coding. A common first project is to build a web server. And honestly, it's simpler than it sounds. Imagine creating a file named server.ts and writing just a few lines of TypeScript to serve a hello world greeting. It's like introducing yourself to the coding world all over again. After you write your first line of code, running your server is as easy as entering a command in your terminal. Voila! You're live on h/localhost 8000. That sense of accomplishment, seeing your work come to life, is what many developers live for. Speaking of resources, if you're curious about expanding your knowledge, there's a plethora of inspirational material available. The official Deno documentation, a standard library of utilities, and even a registry for third-party Deno modules. It really opens up a world of possibilities for what you can create. Oh, and let's not forget about the community. Deno invites contributions and encourages programmers to jump in. Participating can feel like being part of a huge team project where everybody shares knowledge and skills. As we wrap up, I can't help but think about the future of Deno. Will it revolutionize how we handle server-side programming? What do you think? If you're interested in contributing to Deno or just want to learn more, be sure to check out the resources available online. So there you have it, a quick yet insightful tour through the world of Deno. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, it's worth exploring this innovative runtime. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy coding.